Most capsule wardrobe videos shows you what to buy. This one shows you what to do with what you have. I've got my 15 pieces for spring ready and I want to get the most out of it. I was thinking having something like 30 outfits in these videos and the accessories are not included. To mix and match my outfits, I will be working with 4 bottoms, like classic black pants in carrot shape. I have cargo pants and my wide leg gray jeans and also a midi leopard skirt. For my next step, I have selected 10 pieces of clothing which I will be mixing with my bottoms. And so here is my list of all the tops I will be using in this video. You can screen them if you like and use it as a guide for your next outfit combo. But let's start with a hero item and how you can maximize your outfit rotation. For this outfit, I prepared a hero item with basic trousers, or you can combine it with a skirt or shirt. By the way, have you noticed how these 3 outfits became instantly elevated just with one hero piece? Do you see the difference? If not, I can show you another contrasting example. So, here I am with my main ingredient, which is a midi skirt. I added a long sleeve, a vest and a crop jacket. But let's move to the next hero bottom, which is my cargo pant. By the way guys, this item is one of my favorites for this spring, but also I think I'll have fun to styling it for this autumn season as well. My quick tip on how to spice it up your boring clothes is to wear an animal print, whether it's a belt, shoes or a scarf. As you can see, I don't even have to try hard. My shoes are making my outfit pop. This chapter I wanted to dedicate to the challenges in our wardrobe. I mean, you know, when you have this normal basic shirt and you don't know how to cook this ingredient properly. Usually in this situation I am taking my basic shirt and mixing with some hero pieces or maybe weird pieces. And once I tried my mixture and I am content with the result, I can add a bit of spices to elevate my outfit by incorporating a vest, a jacket or a print. Quick note guys, I'm not working in the office anymore, so my wardrobe will be more of a smart casual, but I'm always mixing, as you can see, colors. I like mixing textures and of course I'm playing a lot with different patterns. And if you find something useful for yourself or maybe you are inspired, don't hesitate to take something from my outfits I will be showing you. This chapter is one of my favorite because neutrals can make or break your outfit. They don't require special introduction, but what they do require is a texture and a bold color. In my case, I opted for red because why not? And I don't know you guys, but I like to balance bold colors with neutrals because it helps me achieve an effortless yet elegant look. And if you still hesitate to bring a splash of joy in your wardrobe, then start small with a pair of shoes, belt or a scarf. And of course, I couldn't leave you without showing you this variation combo with light neutrals and red. Have you noticed that the skirt is very long and feels heavy, and I opted for nude sandals to elongate my silhouette. In the second example, I swapped my nude sandals for mules and layered with a warm cardigan for a very cozy vibe. I've got a bucket full of inspiring ideas about how to mix and match neutrals with bold color. Since I'm mixing the same clothes from the beginning of the video, I came up with a few interesting ideas. It's with a blazer, with sandals and with the sneakers. But I'll be happy to hear from you, how do you mix and match your favorite bold color? By the way, if you find it useful, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tips about proportion, about movement and how to mix and match different styles in one capsule wardrobe. What I'm looking for here is to see how the fabric folds. A stiff fabric will hold its structure, whereas a soft one needs a maintenance. And so if I'll be pairing something fluid, something soft, with something stiffer. We are playing now with textures. I get it, no one wants to have a flat outfit or something boring. That's why I propose my way of styling this black dress. For me, these outfits combo are really easy to repeat and they flatter any silhouette. So guys, these are my 15 pieces for the spring. Honestly, I could keep going. I showed you how to mix different colors, different styles and patterns. And now you can take a leap and create something for yourself. It's not that hard. And I'll be happy to hear from you which outfit surprised you the most. Until now, stay safe and see you.